Hi guys, good evening. So guys, let's make Christmas tree. You guys, let me tell you all the little story behind this DIY Christmas tree I'm about to set up. Okay, so I think 3 years ago, yeah, in our little cozy apartment back then, whenever it's Christmas, I would always look at me and say, let's a Christmas tree, or that I set up a Christmas decoration in the house. And then I will always tell her that, look at our house, it's so small, okay? It's so small, just relax. We can't put up such things here because we get choked. Then she would leave me and go to her daddy and say the same, and daddy will also say something that I said. Of course, the apartment was small and cozy. But yeah, so we promised her that one day when we move to our own home, we would have the most beautiful tree in Nigeria, you all. Without bearing in mind the price of Christmas tree, we would assure her that, So, years passed, and years passed, and we finally moved into our own home. But the excitement of adventures, new adventures, and all of that, children are playing, and and their fantasies, the fantasies they built from cartoons and all of that. She kind of forgot about the Christmas tree wish. She forgot. And yeah, our first Christmas passed by, which was I think last Christmas. It passed by without getting her the tree. Or even decorating the house with decoration in tune with Christmas. So yeah, so this year, I think the first day of Christmas, she came back from school with all excitement. She told me, Mommy, our class has been decorated, our school environment has been decorated. It's a norm in Nigerian schools to often decorate, especially the private schools, decorate the school environment and even the classes with Christmas decoration, this green and red stuff, okay? Put up things that will show that, of course, you're in the season of Christmas. So she's like, that should want same in our house. I said, no, I don't have money for that. She said, okay, at least in her room. I said, no. So the next day she'll go to school, come back the same place. I said, okay, we're going to do something. One day we stopped by a store and found Christmas tree there. My other was like, okay, let's just go and price this. Just maybe we'd buy this for her and then make that wish come true. But then two of us, we don't fancy things like this. So my husband and I don't fancy things like this, Christmas trees and all of that. No. But then this is what she wants. So when we price, we are seeing 80-something thousand. 80-something thousand bagu for what? For a tree that will not fruit apple, nor orange, nor even ordinary garden egg. And I said, okay, this is a bare tree. What about the decors? They say, yeah, to get a simple decor that would at least make it look a little bit okay, it will cost like 30-something thousand. I say, for what? You guys, don't worry. We are not interested. But my daughter was like, no, let me buy that. Honey, let's go. We left. And the thing was damn expensive. I didn't know things like that could be that expensive. And it's not even like the biggest of it. I think something medium or not too small, but medium, but not so big, you get. Could be that pricey. So on our way out, I told her that I'm going to buy this decor stuff and then decorate at least her room for her. She said, okay. She keeps reminding me whenever she sees people selling that or where they're selling those stuff, she will remind me. So I decided to get creative. I gathered some special materials like the ones you're seeing here and built our very own one-of-a-kind DIY Christmas tree. Our very first Christmas tree. I built it. And how much did I get all of this? I think I got the lights for 3,500. Yeah, bought those green stuff for 1,500, bought the star for 3,000, the star on top, bought those balls for Yeah, 35. The balls, I bought them for 35 or 4,000, I think. Either 4,000 or 35. Yeah, and that was all. I had this tripod stand I'm not using. I had to put it to use. Yeah, and here it is. Beautiful, right? At least everyone is happy. She's happy, we are happy, and at least our wish for a Christmas tree has been fulfilled, right? In it. I'm truly joyed doing this and looking at it kind of make me feel happy. I think next year I'll be getting a Christmas tree. Yeah. You all hold me accountable. I'm buying her a real Christmas tree next year because I, for one, feel happy over this. I didn't know that things like this can actually make me happy, but I'm happy. I was happy doing it. And when it was all up, I was like, whoa, this is beautiful. Look at something as small as this, very beautiful. Imagine a bigger one. Hopefully, I'm getting a Christmas tree next Christmas. Merry Christmas to every one of you. You can see she's very happy, right? She's saying what she subscribed to her mommy's channel. I didn't know the mic wasn't on here. She turned on the notification bell, subscribe, and all of those good stuff. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. If you have watched to this point, I really appreciate you. Merry Christmas to you once again.